Did you know that there is a whole variety of tools that are far better than the ones you might be using right now? From your household chores to professional projects, getting the right tool can significantly improve productivity, accuracy, and safety. Tired of wrestling with outdated tools that make even the simplest task a struggle? Stick with me because in this video, I will be unveiling 10 amazing tools that will make even the most difficult task become a breeze. These game-changing tools will make your life easier and make you always look forward to using them to execute your tasks. 1. Handheld laser cleaners. Still struggling to get rid of stains on the hard surface and make it look brand new? A laser cleaner is what you need, but what is even better than that is the handheld laser cleaner. This cleaning tool is becoming popular and quickly replacing the old conventional way of getting rid of impurities like rust, paint, oxide, and wood or metal coating. Its cleaning technique includes chemical and abrasive blasting, and more manufacturers and industry owners prefer it because it is economical, eco-friendly, and yields more reliable results. The best part, it is a non-contact process and requires low maintenance. 2. Fire blanket. What other better way to put out a fire than to use a fire blanket? We have had a lot of fire safety lessons where we were taught to always be ready in case of a fire outbreak in our homes and even outside, and fire blankets really come in handy. This blanket is made of woven fiberglass, which makes it resistant to fire. Just by putting the blanket over the fire, it suppresses the flames by cutting out their oxygen supply, and it is very easy to use too. This blanket comes in small and big sizes, which helps smother the fire both indoors and outdoors. Also, it is easy to use and doesn't make a mess like a fire extinguisher. 3. Vabroom brooms are designed to sweep the house and keep it clean, but what if there is a tool that sweeps and vacuums at the same time? Vabroom is a 2-in-1 vacuum clean that doesn't just sweep but vacuums at the same time. All you need is just sweep and pile up the debris, tilt the broom, and the pressure-activated nozzle will suck it all up. Who needs a dustpan when you have a Vabroom in your home? 4. Wallpaper Steamer. Removing wallpapers can be a hassle, but with Wallpaper Steamer, removing wallpapers might just be your new hobby. Wallpaper steamers work by dissolving wallpaper paste with hot steam, which makes removing the paper from the wall much easier. By holding the steam plate on the wallpaper for a maximum of 30 seconds, the steam penetrates through the bored holes and makes peeling it off much easier. 5. Airlock Bag Resealer. Say goodbye to food wastage with this Airlock Bag Resealer. You don't need to tie or use office pins to close open food bags. All you need is this mini resealer. It emanates heat enough to seal up the bag and leave your food as fresh as the first day you opened it. Another good thing is its portability. You can easily carry it around to avoid spilling food in your bag or wasting it. 6. Exhaust air jack. Who else hates the hassles that come with changing flat tires or having to jack vehicles for any reason? The exhaust air jack is the game changer when it comes to things like this. No need for twirling, turning, and winding your conventional car jacks. Just connect the hose attached to it to your car exhaust pipe and watch how effortlessly it will inflate and lift your car. It is designed to lift a car that weighs up to 8,800 pounds off the ground. It is time to throw away that old jack and embrace this hassle-free air jack. 7. Lift lender. A lift lender is a multi-purpose tool that makes lifting, pulling, and carrying heavy objects easy. With this unique invention, you no longer have to suffer lower back pain, finger injuries, or pain of any kind from carrying heavy objects. It has an enhanced ergonomic grip in a sturdy all-plastic construction that makes using it to move heavy objects very easy. It can move ladders, coolers, plywood, grocery bags, buckets, and so many other things, and it can be used by homeowners, contractors, movers, and anyone who desires to move heavy objects around with ease without feeling any kind of pain aid. Battery-powered hydraulic shears. Who knew that these battery-powered hydraulic shears could make cutting down steel bars, metals, and trees this easy? No more hitting, banging, and sawing. The shear is powered by hydraulics and designed to cut through hard objects by just clipping the pair. It is available in a wide range of sizes to perfectly fit into different objects. They are less energy efficient and save energy in the long run. Unlike the electronic shear, this one does not require the use of power tools to work, and it always does a neat job. 9. Self-rescue bracelet. It is said that an average of 236,000 people drown yearly. This could have been avoided by just wearing this unique tool called the self-rescue bracelet. Maybe wearing a life jacket is too much for you, but this bracelet is just like wearing your wristwatches. You won't feel a thing. This bracelet is designed for swimmers young and old, divers, and it can also be worn during surfing, recreational fishing, and rowing. If the wearer encounters any difficulty or has an accident in the water, just one press of the button will save their lives. 10. Dent Puller. Want to save money and quit running to your auto mechanic at every little dent? Just get your car dent puller. This small but remarkable tool always saves the day. It is basically a powerful suction cup with a handle that is designed to stick to the smooth surface of the car, and when a reasonable amount of force is applied through it, it restores it to its original look. Maybe that's what your repairman has been using all this while. Get one for yourself and save repair money. Thank you for watching this video. Which of the tools is your favorite? Tell me in the comments section and watch out for the next video.